Okay, no one knows that I'm here already. Yeah, Jen was asking me last night, what time I'm coming here, but I said I don't know because I will be just on the bus. I'm thinking maybe that Jen just wanted me to stay in their house because it's not clear. So yeah, I will be staying in a hotel. Yeah, that's the one. That is where I'm going to stay. Looks really quiet. You only hear the sound of the wind. This kind of texture or color of building is similar to those in Europe, particularly in Norway. It looks real. I mean, real fire. But also maybe just a television. Yeah, it's real. And I'm actually waiting for my I'm actually waiting for the timings because the check-in is 2 o'clock and I'm tempted to buy a coffee from there. Can I buy a coffee?
Yeah, of course, go for it.
By myself?
Complimentary.
Oh, thank you.
No worries.
Oh, it's a complimentary. Nice. You know, whenever I see coffee machine for the first time, I don't know how to use, of course, but yeah, we are observing first. We try to have a look, try to figure out how it works, and then we do it, we go for it. So it comes with a tablet. Okay, we are now here. 250. Oh, in case you don't know what is this is a heater. In Europe, you all will see a lot of that. In the houses, they have heater like that. I think it's the traditional kind of heater. Yeah, here. Yeah, not the, like the aircon one. Oh. No. And this is how it is. It smells like cleaning elements. Okay, so I will be just sleeping first and then I will take a rest first and then I don't know. Okay, so it is now 5 o'clock and we're going to the shopping mall. I hope that at least they are open so I can eat or can buy something. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is where I'm staying at the moment. The name is Brasi Hotel, and it's surrounded by these beautiful flowers that is turning to be in this color. Yeah, beautiful looking. Yeah, every seat. Oh, I'm in the wrong way. There's no way in here. Oh, here. Yeah, every city, every place has different looking kind of flower trees. That's because of the temperature in different place, different city here in Australia. Yeah, just look at this. Still not winter, but doesn't have the leaves. All those noise that you are hearing, that we are hearing, are this cockatoo. There are so many. They are everywhere. Yeah, even there is that one trying to play in the water. Oh, if you can see that, there's like a pop-up store, like a pop-up restaurant. Not restaurant, but yeah, just for drinking. Yeah, nice. And we are now here in the shopping center. This is the Canberra Centre. Yeah, I've been here before, but you know, most of the shops, restaurants are already closed. I remember that there is one one restaurant here selling Filipino food. Okay, so at the moment I'm here in Big W because you see my shoes. Yeah, this shoes is the one that is coming from Rafael. He gave it to me, and it's color brown leather, very good. Yeah, but it's doesn't look new, so it is not best looking with my attire. Yeah, and I'm thinking of buying this one, like a shoe shine, but I'm not really sure. This is neutral color, this is brown color, or maybe I'm thinking just to buy a new one. Yeah, this is just $30. Yeah, $30. Or maybe this one, I don't know. If I buy this is just $4, $5 actually, and it's going to, I'm not sure what it's going to do. Okay, we'll have just this. Yeah, just this. I don't need another shoes. I don't need another shoes. I am now waiting for John and Shirley, and I will show you something. Look at this Filipino thing, you know. This is basically shaved ice, and they put some different kinds of sweet items like sweet nuts, ice cream, jelly, everything delicious. Yeah, that's, as you can see, say Islas Filipinas with Obi Purple Yum ice cream. Yeah, that's delicious, good for summer. Ba't dami nilang restaurant?
Okay lang sa inyo?
Nandun lang ako makain.
Where will be afternoon?
Kaya mo yun?
Yeah.
You can do that?
Yeah. You will go to my room later.
That's your room.
Can you go and check your room? Ito ko yung Robbie kay ba? Magda. May ano sa baba?
Magjaja ko sa kami.
Yan, sarado na. Parang opisina. So we are here in the Hyatt Hotel, Hyatt Grand Hotel, Park Hyatt. Yeah, one of our colleague from Dubai used to work here before. Chef Rico, the German guy with the Filipino wife. Also Christine, one of our colleague in Sydney. Oh, good thing they have this kind of things. Yeah, and I will try this to shine these shoes. Oh, this bed is similar to the bed that we have in our accommodation when we are in Dubai. Yeah, the same of these, also the same size. Also, we are like 4 people in one room, and then become 2, and then become a single room. Yeah, John and me, we are roommate also before. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, you know this scenery, this view, it is giving me the memory of Dubai. In Dubai, when I was living in Dubai, it's the same like this. Yeah, and the accommodation, we have the window similar to this with this view. The only difference is that the view in Dubai doesn't have big trees, small trees. Today is the last day of John being single. I don't know what is going to change between him being single and being married. John and Charlene, they have a very compatible personality. Yeah, when I am with them, yeah, I can feel their being togetherness, being one. Okay, me and John, we are now going to have a breakfast.